Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the ratings and reviews of a particular product on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option. Now tap on categories at the top and select a category of your choice and then a subcategory as well. Tap on a product that you are interested in. Scroll down till you find the ratings and opinions section. Click on it. And as you can see now there's no rating nor opinion, but you can add your comment by clicking on the add comment button. Rate the product, add your nickname and type in your comment, and then if you are done with it, press the button add comment down below to give your feedback on this product if you have already purchased it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.